Now class 10 I am doing 2 का C number, okay, and homework is 2 का B and 2 का D, okay, but this B and D you will be able to do when I will tell you how to do 2 का C number, okay. So I am showing you how to do. Now see, in 2 का C question is 4 root 3 by 2 minus root 2 minus 30 by 4 root 3 minus root 18 minus root 18 root 18 by 3 minus root 2 12. Now see, in denominator you have different thing, but in the last one, in the last question when we are solving, you have same thing, only you have different in what symbol, okay, here plus and here minus. But in 2 ka C all the things are different. See here 2 minus root 2, 4 root 3 minus root 18, 3 minus root 12. So if this type of question will come in which all terms have different denominator, at that time how you will solve? First you will take first part, second part, then third part, okay. One by one I am showing you how to do. So this is your first part. Part is 4 root 3 by 2 minus root 3. You have to first rationalize this one. So you will rationalize by how you will rationalize? Since you have minus sign, in rationalizing part you will write plus, okay, and 2 plus root 2 and root 2 will remain same. Here you have 2 root 2, here you have 2 root 2, here you have 2 root 2, only here you have minus sign, and so we are writing plus sign, okay. Now 4 root 3 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 root 3 I am writing. Now 4 root 3 into root 2, so 4 will write, and root 3 root 2 will be root 6, 3 2s are 6, okay. Now see, this one is in formula a minus b, a plus b. Formula is a square minus b square. Now I am taking 2 as a common. After taking 2 as a common, which what we have inside, 4 root 3 plus 2 root 6 by 2 square will be 4, and root 2, root and square will cancel, you will get only 2, okay. Now see, 4 minus 2, 2 cancel out, you will get only 4 root 3 plus 2 root 6. So from the first part you are getting 4 root 3 plus 2 root 6. Now in the second part you have 30 by 4 root 3 minus root 18. Now you can break this one, root 18 I am breaking it, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Why I am breaking it? To take something out, okay. Now after breaking 3 you can take common, okay, means you can take outside because it has pair, okay, and root 2 will remain. Now you have to rationalize it. 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2, 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2, you have to rationalize this one, okay. Now you will multiply this one with this one. You know how to rationalize. Here you have minus sign, that is why I am giving plus sign only, and all the things will remain same. So 30 into 4 will give you 120 root 3, 30 into 3 will give you 90 root 2, okay. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, okay. Now what is common in between? 30 is common. When you will take 30 as a common, you will get only 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 4 square will be 16, and root 3 square will be 3, 3 square will be 9, root 2 square will be 2, okay. Now 6 3s are 8, 48, 9 2s are 18, 48 minus 18 you will get 30, 30 30 will cancel out, you are getting 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now third part, root 18 by 3 minus root 12. Again I am breaking this, root 18, it will come 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and when you will break 12 it will become 2 into 3, okay. Now 3 you can take common, inside you have root 2, 3 minus 2 you can take common, inside you have root 3. You have to rationalize this one, 3 plus 2 root 3 by 3 plus 2 root 3. Here you have minus sign, so of course you have to rationalize by plus sign. Now this one, 3 3s are 9, and root 2 you will write 3 root 2 into 2 root 3, 3 2s are 6, see, 3 2s are 6, and root 2 root 3 will be root 6, okay. Now formula of a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square, it will come a 3 9s are, and 2 square will be 4, root 3 square will be 3, okay. Now here what is common? 3 is common, so I am taking 3 as a common, it will become 3 root 2 plus 2 root 6 by 9 minus 2 square will be 4, and root 3 square will be 3, 4 3s are 12, so I am getting 9 minus 12. Now when you will subtract, you will get minus 3. Why? Because 12 is greater number, and with 12 you have minus sign, so 3 1s are will cancel, minus sign will remain here, so that is why I am taking this minus sign up, this one will come. Now when you will open the bracket, sign will change, it will become minus 3 root 2 minus plus minus 2 root 6. Now what you will do? From 1 we get, see I have written here 1, means from when you are solving first part you are getting 4 root 3 plus 2 root 6. When you are solving second part you are getting 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2, and when you are solving third part you are getting minus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, so I am writing first part, second part, third part here. Okay, first part, second part, third part, and first part, after first part you have minus sign, and after second part you have minus sign, so in between I'm writing minus sign. Okay, now you have to open the bracket. Don't see this line. Okay, it is wrong. Come here. After this, come here. So 4 root 3 plus 2 root 6, since you have minus sign will change. Minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 minus plus minus 3 root 2. Now minus plus 3 root 2 minus plus 2 root 6. Now see, for plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 cancel. 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 cancel. You have 2 root plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6. 2 4 root 6 answer. Okay, homework is 2B and D. Thank you.